Hello, welcome to today's daily message. I'd like our guests first to introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Michelle Lavadeur. I've been a parishioner for 19 years, and I normally go to the 5 p.m. Mass.
And I'm Angie Breen. I've been a parishioner for close to 20 years now, and I go to the 10:30 Mass.
I'm Leo Dimel. I have been a member of St. Nicholas since it was established, and I normally go to the 8 o'clock Mass.
Thank you. And you're here today because you do work and have worked for many years for the local food pantry. Please tell us about what you do.
Well, all three of us serve on the board and as volunteers at the pantry and have for close to 20 years, each of us. And I think most people are aware of our pantry, but maybe are not aware of how many people we serve. And an average month is between 800 and 900 clients. The need is definitely here in the O'Fallon and Shiloh area, as well as the need for continued assistance from the community that we're always very grateful for. Our costs are approximately $10,000 a month in addition to any food that's donated.
Mm-hmm. So I'd like each of you to tell our viewers why you do this. What difference does this make in terms of your Catholic faith?
Well, there's definitely a need for it, so I just feel compelled to fulfill that need. I always was taught, if you see that you can do something, do it. And I just feel like it's Christ's hands on the earth helping out.
Mm-hmm.
I continue to do it because I sense that, not just the need, but it was such a shock to me many years ago when I started this, just how many people lived paycheck to paycheck, and how many people have such a hard time getting out of that cycle of poverty, and that it's our responsibility to help in whatever way we can.
Well, I knew there was a need in O'Fallon somewhat. I did not realize the great need until I got in the food pantry, and I feel it's my calling to help the needy whenever I can.
Mm-hmm. And so you've been doing this for 20 years. Why do you keep doing this? What is it that motivates you to keep coming back after all these years?
I think a lot of it is because we can. We have the time. It has become just part of our lives. It's just something that we do, don't you think?
I think so.
Yeah,
It is.
Yeah.
It's a part of our lives, and I think we all enjoy what we do down there.
There's not one specific reason, I don't think.
Yeah. Well, thank you all for telling us about the food pantry. Thank you for your service to God and God's people, and for your service to the community. Thank you, viewers, for watching the daily message today, and we hope that you have a great day.